Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable notifications for recommendations on Twitter when using your PC. Let's get started with the simple steps. Step 1. Open Twitter on your PC. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Step 3. In the left-hand column, locate and click on the Web Notifications option. Step 4. Within the Notification Types menu, select Preferences to customize your notification settings. Step 5. Click on Push Notifications to access your push notification preferences. Step 6. Under From X, make sure to check the box next to Recommendation to enable notifications for recommendations. Step 7. Finally, click on the Save Changes button to apply your new notification settings. By following these steps, you can now stay informed and receive notifications for recommendations on Twitter directly to your PC. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more useful guides. Stay tuned for additional tips and tricks to enhance your social media experience. See you next time.